everyone. Yes, this is one ALTCK700 by 1500 millimeter CNC milling and turning machine, and this is 52. This one also 52. So from now you can see the size is a very big difference. This machine for the 700, the difference compared with the 550 or 52, the difference is mainly is for the standard. The truck size is 12 inch for the standard, but this customer is required 10. And also the difference for this machine compared with the 50, big difference is for the linear guider. Linear guider, this one is XYZ is all is using linear guider, but for the y-axis, this one can be customized. So standard can linear guider, but you can also use a height guide. Inside cannot see, but it's height guide. Another thing is for the tail stock. For the tail stock, for the 700 standard is inside the slot. Inside the slot can be moving. You can see now. Yeah, my hand is moving. Yeah, and also then for the tail stock, you can use the hard tail stock with a very cheap price and also very good accuracy control, because the inner slot is movable. Now you can see it's very clear, it's movable. Another thing is for the inside. Inside you can see. Yeah, inside also you can one control, and then you can, when it's moving, it's arriving the position for you to do the turning, it can lock the tail stock. Another special thing is for the standard one, the tail stock is hydraulic, but for this machine can be customized. Is you can change to servo, like this client is changed to this servo. But it have a thing is if you choose a Syntec control system like this one, the client is choosing Syntec. Yeah, you can use the same servo motor and reduce it together. This is customized and need to pay extra money. So this is a whole machine for 700 by 1.5 meter. Yeah, this is a control system. Yeah, in China, because we can, for transportation, have no limitation for the wires, so we have this control. For the control cabinet is movable. You can see, yeah, it's here have a guide. It yes can be moved. But for overseas right now, because the limitation for wires, we cannot use this type. Okay. You can see all the oil and the control, lock, pressure, lubrication. Yeah, back. All the motors. Yeah, the connection not finished, so before shipping will be perfectly. Yeah, all the pump. Hydraulic control system. Yeah, Syntec. This one is using Syntec. All the control system is Syntec. And the list. All will be button like this is a cheap collection. For English, we will change to English. Yeah, also we'll have this. Air for AC, one AC to reduce the temperature. A spindle.